How are you?
Magandang hapon. Okay naman po sir. Thank you sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have good news. Kailan ko sa iyo kanina, just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo last week, no, sa Mississippi. Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total buong 350 pesos na, yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Sir, I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th of Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care of instruction by our speakers, instruction by the president. Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom, you have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa Dadating ka ba sa Friday? December 13. Doon din ang formal natin.
Sa evening na siguro tayo.
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker. Si speaker kami ulit ng dalawa. So, we'll inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve na yung plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAPCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso. Kasi tayo nag-usap niya sa Mississippi and we announced it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and na then the President will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po sila. I'll show the video to all our staff.
Isa na, tingnan nyo, bakit i-private call talaga? Usually, ina-announce yan ng public na ganito, dinagdagan ng allowance yung AFP natin. Bakit inabagan talaga na personal talaga? What do you think, mga taga-natics? Ibang connection yan. Pagtatawagan yung private. Ang laki ng utang ng loob ng AFP sa mga tao na yan. Private talaga. Ganon kami ka-special para mahawakan nila sa leeg yung AFP. Ganon yun, mga taga-natics. Kailan pa nangyari ng ganito na private call yung pag-increase ng allowance? Let's go.
And mga sundalo po dito sa Solcom, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the military in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the left, dito to yan, gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We're successful and thank God na tuloy to. Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, do you have, can we request a short Christmas message sa ating mga tao, sir, sa mga personnel natin, ng mga tropa?
Yeah, sure. To all our soldiers in the ground, we have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dahil dito sa subsistence allowance, this would be the legacy of the BBM administration under the leadership of the House Speaker Martin Romualdez. And we appreciate your service to the nation. Lahat na tulong ninyo sa pagdepensa sa ating bansa, sa ating sovereignty, sa ating peace and order. Kinikilala po ng leadership ng House of Representatives Speaker Martin Romualdez ang inyong tulong sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating ng buong bansa. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat, and we know matagal na itong badly needed, and but we just heard it last August kay Chief Browner na kung pwede may pasok. So right there and then, hinabol natin to sa HCAB, and now additional of another 8 billion, naging 16 billion. So again, congratulations sa inyong lahat, and hopefully sumaya ang inyong Pasko and sumaya ang inyong New Year, and hopefully the life of each soldier will have an improvement. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Sir, maraming salamat po, sir. Stay
Thank
safe,
you.
sir. At
Thank
a
you.
Merry Christmas din po, sir, from your family dito sa Southern Luzon.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Opo, sir.
Bye.